Most budgets fail because they ignore timing, not math. I'll show you a monthly plan that actually keeps cash predictable. Here's what you need to know. A good budget isn't about cutting everything. It's about making cash flow predictable. The real problem is timing. Bill due dates rarely line up with payday, so money can look available and still be spoken for. Irregular bills like car insurance or yearly subscriptions blow up plans that only track monthly averages. Without a buffer, one small miscount can trigger an overdraft, and then fees stack on top of fees. Predictability is the win. Start your budget with income you can prove, not a guess. Pull your last 2 pay stubs, then confirm the deposits that actually hit your checking account, because net pay is what you can spend. Convert that to a monthly baseline. If you're paid biweekly, that means 26 checks per year, not 24. If your income varies, set a floor like your lowest typical month. Also write income after any holds, like payroll garnishments or benefit deductions, so bills don't outrun reality. Next, build your budget around bills using the dates money leaves your account. List fixed monthly bills, then add the minimum payments for every debt, because missing even one can mean late fees and credit damage. Use true due dates, but also note auto-pay withdrawal dates, since many companies pull funds a few days early. Look for high-risk clusters, several debits landing within the same week. Then put it all on a simple bills calendar so payday has a job before spending does. Once bills are mapped, you can safely plan the leftovers with a zero-based approach, meaning every dollar gets assigned a purpose. Cap flexible buckets like groceries, gas, and eating out so they can't silently expand. Create sinking funds, small monthly set-asides for predictable big expenses like $50 a month for car repairs. Separate bills money from spending money, even if it's just 2 accounts. Decide what goes on debit versus credit, then automate transfers right after payday. To keep the plan working, run it like a system that expects real life. Budget to a worst-case income month, so you're never forced into panic cuts. Do a weekly 10-minute check-in and separate timing problems from overspending. Sometimes the budget is fine, the calendar is wrong. Add a buffer line, even $100, to absorb small surprises. Pre-fund annual bills before they're due, and audit bank fees monthly so overdrafts, ATM fees, and subscriptions don't quietly drain you. A 100 buffer can be the difference between tight month and an overdraft chain. BankingHub can match you to accounts that fit how you bank and show the real dollar impact on your balance. Free, 2 minutes, and the link is in the description.